Welcome to CryptoBit, your go-to channel for all things related to cryptocurrencies. In this video, we will be chatting with ChatGPT, an advanced language model that can generate human-like responses to text-based conversations. During this interactive Q&A session, viewers can submit questions on a wide variety of topics, ranging from science and technology to history and pop culture. Using its sophisticated neural architecture and natural language processing techniques, ChatGPT can provide real-time answers, showcasing its ability to understand and respond to natural language queries. As we chat with ChatGPT, viewers can witness firsthand how this advanced language model is capable of generating intelligent and human-like responses, even to the most complex questions. From explaining scientific concepts to providing historical context, ChatGPT can provide insights and information that can help you expand your knowledge and broaden your horizons. While ChatGPT is an impressive tool for learning and exploring different topics, it is important to note that it is not perfect and may occasionally generate responses that are inaccurate or inappropriate. Therefore, it is essential to approach the information provided by ChatGPT with a critical eye, and verify any facts or claims made by the model. Despite these limitations, we are excited to chat with ChatGPT and explore the possibilities of this powerful language model. With its advanced neural architecture and natural language processing techniques, ChatGPT is capable of generating human-like responses to a wide range of questions, making it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to expand their knowledge and understanding of the world. During our Q&A session with ChatGPT, we could also delve into some of the underlying natural language processing techniques that allow ChatGPT to generate such accurate and nuanced responses. For instance, we could explore topics such as sentiment analysis, entity recognition, and part-of-speech tagging, and explain how these techniques work together to enable ChatGPT to understand and interpret complex text-based input. In addition to discussing the technical aspects of ChatGPT, we could also explore some of the potential applications of this technology in various fields, such as customer service, education, and healthcare. By showcasing how ChatGPT can be used to provide personalized and efficient support to customers, students, and patients, we can demonstrate how this technology is already transforming the way we interact with machines and enhancing our quality of life. Overall, chatting with ChatGPT is a unique and engaging way to explore different topics and learn new things. By answering questions on a wide range of subjects and discussing the underlying natural language processing techniques, we can help viewers understand how ChatGPT works and how it can be used to improve our lives in countless ways. To summarize, this video would provide viewers with an informative and interactive opportunity to engage with one of the most advanced language models in the world. By showcasing the capabilities of ChatGPT and discussing its potential applications, we could help viewers understand how this technology is already changing the world around us. So, don't hesitate to submit your questions and discover the power of chatting with ChatGPT. In conclusion, we encourage viewers to try out ChatGPT for themselves and experience the power of this groundbreaking technology firsthand. Whether you're looking for a personalized learning experience, fast and efficient customer service, or just want to chat with an AI companion, ChatGPT is here to help. Thank you for joining us for this session of Chatting with ChatGPT. We hope you found it informative and entertaining. As technology advances, so does the potential for natural language processing. ChatGPT's capabilities show us the possibilities of where this technology can lead us in the future. It's not hard to imagine how this technology. Additionally, we could also explore some of the ethical considerations and challenges that arise with the use of advanced language models like ChatGPT. For example, there are concerns around bias in natural language processing models, which can perpetuate existing social inequalities and discrimination. By discussing these issues, we can help viewers better understand the complexities of artificial intelligence, and the importance of responsible use and development of these technologies. Moreover, ChatGPT is just one example of the many exciting advancements in the field of artificial intelligence. In the near future, we can expect to see more sophisticated language models and other AI technologies that can improve our lives in countless ways. By staying informed and engaged with these developments, we can better prepare ourselves for the changing technological landscape and take advantage of the many opportunities they offer. In conclusion, chatting with ChatGPT is an excellent opportunity for viewers to learn about the capabilities and potential applications of one of the most advanced language models in the world. By showcasing the technology's capabilities and discussing its underlying natural language processing techniques, we can help viewers understand the many ways in which this technology is already changing the world around us. So, submit your questions and join us in discovering the power of chatting with ChatGPT. We hope that viewers found this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CryptoBit for more videos on the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and artificial intelligence. We look forward to continuing the conversation about the cutting-edge technologies that are shaping our world. Thank you for joining us, and until next time.